Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Phone Tech. Today we will talk about and compare HTC Wildfire X and Xiaomi Mi A3. Let's start. First I'm gonna talk about the display. HTC Wildfire X has a 6.2-inch HD Plus display and other side Mi A3 has a 6-inch HD Plus AMOLED display. Next, front camera, both have a waterproof notch. And talk about the pixels. HTC Wildfire X has a 8 megapixel front camera and Mi A3 has a 32 megapixel front camera. Next, compare RAM and storage. HTC Wildfire X has a 3GB and 4GB RAM option, and other side you will get a 4GB and 6GB option in RAM. And talk about the storage. In HTC Wildfire X you will get a 32 and 128GB storage option, and other side Mi A3 you will get a 64 and 128GB storage option. Now we talk about the back cameras. HTC Wildfire X has a triple rear camera, 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and Xiaomi Mi A3 has a also triple rear camera, but you will get a difference in pixels. It has a higher resolution camera, 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Next, processor and chipset. HTC Wildfire X has a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor with Helio P22 chipset, and Xiaomi Mi A3 has a also 2 GHz octa-core processor, but difference in chipset, you will get a Snapdragon 665 chipset. Now guys, we will give a look on some other specification. Both smartphone have a Android 9 Pie and both smartphone have a dual SIM option. And next, GPU. HTC Wildfire X has a PowerVR G8320 GPU and Mi A3 has a Adreno 610, and both smartphone comes with a fingerprint sensor, but Mi A3 you will get a under display fingerprint sensor. Next, we talk about the battery. HTC Wildfire X has a 3300 mAh battery and Mi A3 has a 4030 mAh battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the average price. HTC Wildfire X average price is 11,000 in India rupees and 170 in US dollar, and Mi A3 average price is 13,000 in India rupees and 190 in US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video update.